This money-making method works worldwide, and all you need to do is set it up once. After that, you can just sit back and watch the money flow in on a complete autopilot. So for the first step, I'd like you to head over to this website called cafepress.com. A customer can purchase several different items on this website, and there are zero investments or costs that you'll have to make for this strategy on this website. This money-making method is 100% free. The way in which you are going to make money on this site is by designing these products yourself. You are able to design clothing on this website just using your computer. The website will take care of the rest of the work like shipping, promoting, and selling. Later in this video, I'm also going to share with you a special tool that will help you a lot and enable you to design products without any design experience or skills. All you'll really have to do is just upload images. So the first thing you need to do on this website is scroll down to the very bottom and click right here where it says Start Selling. You will then be redirected to this page, which will provide more information on how exactly this will work. It's essentially what I explained before. You create and upload a design, and then they sell your design on products, and then you make money. They will do all the work for you, like promoting, selling, and shipping the products that you designed. If we head over to a website called similarweb.com, we can see how many people are visiting Cafe Press every month. We can see here that about 1.8 million people visit this website every single month. This is important data or information because the more people that visit Cafe Press, the more money that you will be able to make. And since there are literally millions of people that are visiting this site on a monthly basis, you will definitely be able to earn a decent amount of money on this website. So to begin selling your products, you want to click this button that says Add Designs. That will then redirect you to this page where you can create your own free account by clicking right here. After you click that, you'll just need to enter your email address, a password confirmation, and then click Create Account. So after you've logged into your account, you can begin the design process. So you'll just come over to where it says Create right here and hover over that, and then select a product that you would like to design. And what's incredible about this website is that there is such a wide variety of different products you can design. And the more products that you design, the more money you can potentially make. As an example for this video, I'll just select custom t-shirts. Once you've selected the type of product you want to design, you'll then be redirected to this page where you will actually pick out the specific product you want to design within your product category. It will also show the price of each product. I'll just select this t-shirt right here as an example. After you've selected the product, you can see a lot of different design options you can choose from, like the color, the size, the quantity, and then if you click on Add Image right here, you can select any image or design that you can add to the shirt or product. And when I mentioned before that you will simply just be uploading images, this is what I was referring to. Make sure you keep watching because I will share a website with you later in this video where you can get a bunch of free images. I'll also share some advice and tips on the type of images you want to use for your product designs. Now the last thing you can add on your products is text, as you can see right here. Cafe Press is quite user-friendly, making this a very straightforward and simple process for those who have zero design experience. Now I'd like to show you the website where you can download and use free images to add to your designs. But before I do, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you'd like to watch more videos on how to make money online. The website I'd like you to head over to is called pngtree.com. There are several reasons why I want you to use this website and not an alternative. The first reason is that the images you can download and use are royalty-free, as it states right here. Another reason is that it's completely free to download these images, unlike other websites that will make you pay. And then the last reason is that there are thousands of different types of images that you can use from this website. So the first thing you want to do when you get onto this website is register for a free account. So just navigate to the top right corner and click the button that says Register. Just fill out some basic personal information. It's very simple and straightforward. So now you're probably thinking to yourself what kind of images you should download and use for your designs. So I have a few recommendations, and one of my top recommendations would be animal images. This is a very popular category as most people love animals. And there are so many different designs to choose from, so you will very likely get many sales. So you'll just want to search for an animal photo, so I just searched for dog photos, as you can see here. In order to download any of these photos, just click on this button right here on the photo itself. Something I'd like to mention is that with a free account, you will only be able to download 2 photos per day. But that's plenty because that means you'll be able to create 2 product designs every single day, which is a lot. And as you start to make more money on Cafe Press, you can reinvest that money into pngtree.com so you can earn even more money over time if you'd like. So I'm just going to download one of these and add it to my t-shirt design. design. Okay, so this is what my t-shirt looks like so far after I added the design to it. And you can add anything else you'd like some text or change the color, which is all completely up to your own preferences. So once you've completed the design process, you can then post your product on Cafe Press and begin to earn passive income because your design will exist on Cafe Press forever. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.